So hi everyone, in this video I'm going to start a new question, which is question number 32 from LeetCode, which is the longest valid parenthesis. There's also a question which is valid parenthesis. It is an easy level question. We are using the same approach but in a longitative way to solve this question. This question comes under topic, I guess it comes in the stack. Yeah, we are using stack. We can also use DP if we want. If we need, we'll surely use DP and some concept of strings. So in the very first step, we'll just read out the question, see the examples, and from using that examples in dry run, we can we'll try to find an approach. Then we'll use that approach to the code, and we'll check whether our approach was correct or not. Okay, so we have given a string, so containing just the characters. We have given a string to use just characters. Okay, and we need to find the length of the longest valid parenthesis form. Okay, let's just see it by example 1. We have given example 1 where we are given this string like this. Okay, let's just copy the string. Okay, yeah, so we need to find the maximum number of string that valid. Okay, so in this particular case we we need to use a simple approach. We need to just check how many opening braces are there, how many closing braces are there. We just need to make the longest number equals to its closing braces. Like in this example, we have got opening and closing. Okay, so here we have got how many closing braces? We have got just one closing braces. And how many opening braces are there? 2. So the longest valid parenthesis will be of 2 size. Okay, because we just need another closing bracket to just close this parenthesis and make it the longest valid parenthesis. Just this is the approach that we need to apply in this particular question. We are done with example number 1. Let's see the example number 2. So let me just erase this stuff. Okay, in this example, just can I just wait, it's fine. Okay, it is closing, opening, closing, opening, closing, and I think the last one is of closing braces. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, in this particular example, how many closing or opening braces do we have? So we have, I guess, 1 and 2. So we have 2 opening braces. Okay, and we have 1 2 3 and 4 close braces. This means that if we got another 2 opening braces, then it will complete our all the parentheses and will get our maximum parenthesis or longest valid parenthesis, which is 4. Because 4 open, if we add on 2 more opening braces, it will complete our parenthesis and it will be our longest valid parenthesis, so it will be 4. So the longest valid parenthesis of string is this. Okay, that's fine. In this way you can solve this question. So we'll have to see the code. Okay, so we are making a stack, we're pushing it to -1, and we'll take a new variable which is the max L. Fine, we'll take max L equals to 0. Then we'll start our loop for with I equals to 0 till the size that we have. Then we'll see whether what we have in the top, and we'll just check that if our t is not equals to -1 and we have an empty string or which is of closing, or either it has of closing or it has of opening. If that's the case, then we'll just pop out and we'll put the maximum number of length, what is the maximum length or what the maximum longest valid parenthesis, we'll make it to top, and then we will push that string. Then we get the remaining result, and whatever the number of maximum L is being there, we'll just return that max L. So in this way, or in this logic, in this approach, you can solve this particular question. It is just an medium or hard level question that we have solved easily. We can just run this code. Okay, it's pretty cool. I'll just try to submit the code. Yeah, bad, and it has been submitted. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.